At Glorod, we follow industry-specific standards to design and build aircrafts for the air modeling and drone industry. With over 300 products from some of the most sought-after brands in the world, our customers have a wide range of options to choose from. Glorod's model radio-controlled aircrafts and drones meet optimum flight conditions with the use of the best products in RC flying. Our factory is fully equipped with the most modern and precise machines that can build small gliders, radio-controlled aircrafts, drones, and giant-scale models. To promote air modeling, we have launched a series of workshops under the brand name Junior Woodies. Children above the age of 6 can participate in these workshops, which are also open for adults. These workshops give students a hands-on experience in designing and making aircrafts. The Junior Woodies air modeling workshops are specifically developed to acquaint individuals with drone design and development, thus instilling in them a scientific acumen. Glorod Avionics, where innovations take flight.